What am I doing? What is up, lovely people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany. Over here, we're always up to something. You know, we're always up to some new shenanigans. We're up for some fun shenanigans today. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by and giving me a look. I truly do appreciate it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you for coming back and checking out your girl. Why do I always do this? Today we're gonna get into it. We have a fun challenge in store. It's gonna be the no mirror makeup challenge. I don't want to be too cocky, but I have a feeling I'm gonna do splendid with this. Okay. Full disclosure, I did just finish a bottle of wine, so do with that information what you will. Full disclosure, I'm not gonna do anything too crazy. I'm not gonna do eyeliner and I'm not gonna do lashes. So I can barely do my liner and lashes with a mirror, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not gonna clown myself like that, okay? I do plan on doing another version of this where I do try out a more difficult look. But for now, I'm gonna go for my everyday makeup, which I'm gonna put here. I've done a video on it. Go check it out if you haven't. It's splendid. The thumbnail's trash, but I'm working on my thumbnail game, okay? Okay, we're putting the mirror down. I gotta cover my viewfinder. I'm gonna use this. Let me make sure I'm centered for the last time, though. Let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do my brows first. That's probably gonna be the thing I mess up on, huh? I have a feeling I'm gonna mess up the brows spectacularly. So how you guys been doing? My day's been fantastic. I can already feel the disaster that is happening. I feel like I've already gone outside of the, you know, maybe I can try to clean it up. Okay, I might have been a tad bit overconfident, okay? I blame that on the wine. I'm starting to get a little worried. Yo, I am just so stressed out. There's so much going on in my life right now, and there's so much that, like, I have a lot going on and on top of me trying to, like, go for all my goals and whatnot. And I can tell I'm stressed out because my skin is breaking out. Can you see this pimple right here? I don't know if y'all can see it. And then I'm breaking out over here. I have a breakout on my chin. Like, I am acne prone, but usually it's okay as long as I'm not stressed out. But I should probably stop with the brows, huh? Because I can already feel that it's a disaster. I'm really gonna try to succeed, y'all. I really want to succeed. I feel like I can do it. Yo, this is so awkward. I don't like this. I don't like this. I know the tail is trash. I can feel it. Now I'm gonna go in. What I like to do is prime with my Milk Primer. Y'all, I'm like at a crossroads when it comes to like what I want to do with my channel, because I do want to I'm still gonna do makeup content regardless, because I find this fun, stress relief for me. I do want to eventually do a gaming channel, and on this channel I want to incorporate more like commentary type videos. I just want to like branch out a little more. I'm trying to clean up my brows a little bit. I probably shouldn't have. Why am I putting more concealer on? Oh my gosh. Now we're gonna go in with my Juvia's Place, the Nubian palette. This is what I use for my everyday makeup. Slight interruption there, but don't worry, I didn't take a peek. All I did in the interim was go in and set that concealer like I always do. Just set it, just set it, just set it, just set it. I feel like this is where it might go wrong. These shadows are really pigmented, so one of these days I'm gonna do a drunk get ready with me or a drunk tutorial, because I don't know. That's how it goes, best friend. For my everyday look, I always go with I always either go with this gold toned or this darker, like brownish gold tone, but I think I'm gonna go with the lighter gold tone. I love Juvia's shimmers, they're so pretty. I hate that I can't tell how it's going on though. This is driving me crazy. I feel like I might have, let me just do my fingers so I can at least know where the shadow is going. I usually don't like using my fingers for my eye looks because I always forget to wash my hands before I leave the house. And I always go in and deepen the outer corner for definition. You know, I drank that whole bottle and I'm not like gone like I thought I would be, because it's a new brand. My friend recommended it to me and it's really sweet. I like sweet wine, don't get me wrong, but it's a little too sweet for me. And I think it might not have too much alcohol, because normally if I finish an entire bottle of wine, how I know if I'm too far gone is I start breaking out in Disney songs, like Disney movie songs. My favorite, I always start out with Be a Man. I'm not gonna sing anymore because Disney might try to claim my home video. Reflection is one of my favorites. All the Lion King songs, I love all the Lion King songs. Lion King 1 and Lion King 2. He is not One of a deception, disgrace. Yeah, I'm not gonna sing any more than that. Okay, let me stop. I already know it's messed up. It's okay. Or you know what? Positive thinking. It's not messed up. It's perfect. I've done perfect so far, and nothing is messed up because I'm just that. So next is the foundation. Full disclosure, I've lightened up a bit in the past 2 days, so this foundation isn't a crazy match for me anymore. It's a little dark, so we'll see what happens. Honestly, in my whole makeup routine, I don't really care about my foundation. Like, I do, but I don't at the same time, you know what I mean? Like, I'm much more of a eyeshadow fiend. It would be hilarious if this wasn't blended at all. I feel like that would make this really funny. Sorry y'all, my light fell and I had to fix it. I didn't look to keep the integrity of the challenge, but I am gonna take a tiny food break because I want to. Well, I have this extra foundation, so I guess I'll use it somewhere. I'm not gonna even bother blending it to my neck because this already is not a match. This is about the lightest I get in winter or in general. And I do have a different foundation that I use, but I don't want to use it for this video because it's kind of hard to blend out and I don't want to clown myself any more than I already have. It's the Anastasia's Thick Foundation. I do like it, but I tend to prefer liquid foundations. Like I say, you know, it's not like you guys come here for like the beauty, that's way too much concealer. But it's not like you guys come here for like beauty expertise, you know what I mean? Am I still centered? I hope I am. I'm actually really annoyed with myself because I had so many topics I was gonna talk about during this video, but I can't remember not a single one. All I can think about right now is I really want to sing some Disney songs. You know that one song from Tangled? It goes like, and at last I see the light, and it's like the fog has lifted. And at last I see the light. I love that song. I love that song so much. I always end up singing it. It's like I started out so serious and now I'm just like, I kind of just want to take a nap. I didn't plan on drinking today. I really didn't. As an introvert, I can only turn down so many invitations before people just stop inviting me. So yeah, I gotta give in every once in a while. You know what I'm saying? And at last I see the light. And it's like the fog has lifted. I already had this video scheduled. Then I got the invitation and yeah. You know what I just thought? How sucky would it be if like my camera stopped recording? I keep saying my camera, it's my phone. Next is blush. God! Next is blush that I refuse to buy a compact for. I always go ham with my blush, so even if it is a little much in the end, I don't really care. What's next? Highlight. Let's do highlight. Ooh! Ooh, I almost looked. I'm gonna go with this one. That was a close one. I don't like that I can't see what I'm doing with this highlighter because I like to sheer it out quite a bit because once you sheer it out, it looks so pretty on the skin. Into the unknown. Into the unknown. Into the unknown. Copyright. Some look for trouble while others don't. Oh, my eye's twitching now. Let me chill out. Truth is, I'm stalling because I'm so scared to do the lashes. I said it like a few videos ago I didn't like the Frozen movie, and at the time I stand by it. I didn't like the movie, but I also said I didn't like any of the songs. But now that song is stuck in my head. Into the Unknown. I was sleeping on that song. High key. I need to do my freaking, I need to smoke out my lash line, my bottom lash line. Bro, this is so sketchy. This is so sketchy. Alright, let's go smoke out that bottom lash line real quick, and then we'll do the bottom lashes. On the earth and still, all you own is earth until you can paint with all the colors of the wind. Girl, stop your crying, you'll be alright. You'll be here in my heart. Just look over your shoulder. I feel like I'm forgetting something. I feel like that went by too fast. I think that might be it. I think we might be done. Oh, I didn't curl my lashes. Ah! Okay, so I'm pretty sure we're done. I'm gonna bring my mirror close. I'm not gonna take my hair down, and I'm not gonna even bother with setting spray. I am confident that I messed up with the foundation, the brows, the eyeshadow, mascara, and blush, and bronzer. Pretty much my whole face. Let's see how we did. Oh, it's actually not too bad. Oh, I got some I got some mascara on me. I knew I got some on me, but I didn't feel it. Kind of went outside the lines with my lips. The blending, it's not that fantastic. Okay, it's not too bad. I am pleasantly surprised. I thought this was gonna be a lot worse than it was. My brows aren't fantastic, but like they never are. Or you could see where some of the product was covered up, I guess, by my foundation. Let me come in close so y'all can see. Like it's not bad. It's definitely not great, but it's not bad, you know, for a no mirror challenge. I am not mad at this. You did pretty good, sis. It is what it is. I wouldn't call it a failure. I wouldn't call it a smashing success, but I think it is worthy of a tiny little crown of achievement. I feel an intense headache coming on. I should probably be going to sleep. But yeah, I had fun. I hope you guys had fun too watching me. What do you guys think of the end result? I think it came out a lot better than I expected. Thank you guys for watching and making it to the end. Don't forget to go down below, leave me a like, leave me a comment, letting me know anything, telling me anything, I don't care. Share this out to your peoples. Of course, subscribe for more of the shenanigans. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye!